Learn different words from A to Z for the letter D. Drum, drum, ingoma, drama, drama, umutimbo, dice, dice, akade bakinisha kuri rudo, drop, n'akantu kanyegezaho bacisha imfunguruzo, drop, ima ry'imvura cyangwa ima ry'umuti, drop, gukoroka, door, door, umuryango, dog, dog, imbwa, dolphin, dolphin, ubwoko bw'ifi nini, duck, duck, imbata, deer, deer, umukunzi, drawer, drawer, tiriwari ku meza cyangwa ku kabati, dry, dry,